Welcome to S.E.E.K, the Society for Esoteric and Entheogenic Knowledge. Esoteric means hidden wisdom, the symbols, philosophies, and secret traditions passed down through mystery schools, secret societies, and mystical thinkers. Entheogenic means awakening the divine within through visionary plants and psychedelic substances, tools for transformation used by cultures everywhere, across the world, throughout human history. Together, they form a path of inner exploration, one of sacred knowledge and one of direct experience. What is the nature of the soul? How can we awaken the divine within? And what lies beyond the limits of ordinary perception? S.E.E.K explores these mysteries, from Egyptian rites and Greek philosophy to Gnostic vision, Hermetic wisdom, alchemical manuscripts, the mysticism underlying the major world religions, and the sacred role of entheogens in opening the doors of consciousness in shamanic practices. We are about knowledge, discovery, and honoring the ways of how both esoteric traditions and entheogenic experiences can expand our understanding of reality. If you are ready to journey through the mysteries of spirit, symbol, and sacred plants, subscribe now and take your first step with S.E.E.K. Seek and you shall find.